Your ability to effectively communicate is one of the most impactful skills that will determine your future. Whether you're preparing a speech for a class presentation, a conference, an interview, a formal speaking engagement, or pitching a new idea, clear, engaging communication is what will determine your success. The Speaking Center at JHBC, an interdisciplinary partnership between the Jack H. Brown College of Business and Public Administration and the College of Arts and Letters, can help you develop and refine your public speaking skills. Our team of highly trained and welcoming consultants are ready to mentor you through preparing, practicing, and honing your presentation skills. Student success is our #1 goal. You speak, we listen.